How to display pandas data frame of floats using a format string for columns. I would like to display a pandas data frame with a given format using print and the ipython display. For example, I would like to somehow coerce this into printing. Without having to modify the data itself or create a copy, just change the way it is displayed. How can I do this?
Yields. But this only works if you want every float to be formatted with a $sign. Otherwise, if you want $formatting for some floats only, then I think you'll have to pre-modify the data frame, converting those floats to strings. Yields.
If you don't want to modify the data frame, you could use a custom formatter for that column. Yields.
As of pandas 0.17, there is now a styling system which essentially provides formatted views of a data frame using Python format strings. Which displays This is a view object. The data frame itself does not change formatting, but updates in the data frame are reflected in the view. However, it appears to have some limitations. Adding new rows and/or columns in place seems to cause inconsistency in the style view, doesn't add row/column labels. Which looks okay, but formatting works only for values, not index entries.
Similar to Unupu above, you could also use a plan app as follows.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.